Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. Good morning. GBP US dollar. Pre-corrections and continuation. Okay. Okay. Nice. We'll see. It's pushing. It might come and give us that. See the 1 hour. 1 hour matches with levels on the left too. Not bad. Let's wait. Breaking at this hour, I don't know if that's going to be possible, but who knows? Anything might happen. Anything. Okay, let's start from GJ. Let's start from GJ. GJ is a mess, honestly. It's a mess. So what we can do here? Okay, so looks like this zone is pretty good because if you look left and if you look these candles are all closing below this. We had these candles before, they all closed below these ones, and if you go on the left too, you have the same zone. Now it depends how the breakout's going to be. Should be a 10 pips breakout. I don't know if we're going to get that, but if we do get that, I think we have this next zone here. It should be easy fill of the range here to the upside, some more continuation. We need a 10 pips breakout, and it's a 30 pip range, so 138 breakout can easily send us to the next zone, but we need a good close. We'll wait for that at the end of the candle. USD CAD, right now about USD CAD, I don't really know. It might be a retest for some more continuation because we have this zone here. But I think we don't have much right now happening, so we're gonna have to wait. Gonna have to wait for that. Euro US dollar. some crazy moves yesterday. Crazy moves yesterday. Today I don't really know what we're gonna do on EU. I think EU is out of my list today, but we have EJ on the list. Well, let's see if EJ is gonna break today, because EJ can be pretty nice. Beitu, yeah, I see you, Ranzadi. What did I tell you?
Good morning, bro.
Morning.
Yeah, exactly what you told me.
Boom. Boom, all the way to the upside. Okay, so EJ is gonna be the next setup. Hopefully, if it breaks, I would hate to see this going all the way down again, because probably we would end up in the same range for another few hours, or maybe even tomorrow. Hopefully we get a break above, and first target is gonna be easy, this previous high that we made when we broke above. Right now it's consolidating. EA is in a mess on the left, but I saw you guys took a trade here on EA. It was nice. It was pretty clean. I think you got some pips there. It was good. The first retest went all the way up, more than 10 pips I think. If you guys count that, nice. Now it's making a second time, it's not as the same, so can't really do nothing right now. 15 pips, nice. 1%, perfect. Pedro, how much you have on the other verification? Are you close? Okay, perfect start then. If I don't see anything interesting, I'm not gonna talk about the pair at all. If I don't see something interesting. EJ or GJ? EJ. EJ is way better. At least I trust EJ more right now. Look at UZCAT 15-minute time frame. No, we don't trade on lower time frames. No need to go to 15-minute at all. I haven't been able to watch your streams recently, but Copy Trader is showing good results. Yeah, of course it is showing good results, because we've been doing these results. It's good, almost 8% I think, if I'm not wrong. So pretty good. Not bad at all. Yeah, so what can I say here? If GA breaks above also, this can be also a very good trade. But it's 3 minutes left, and I don't think it's gonna be enough. GJ is not breaking at all. GU is not breaking at all either. So another hour, oh no. EJ is dropping again. It's gonna be a headache until it breaks. It's been so long. Even though it paid us one time when it broke above, then back in the range, but anyway, we're gonna have to wait. What can we do? EJ can be a good gift for this year. A really good gift. Look, GA can be a very good trade here if it breaks this level with some nice pips above, because I can't trust it with only like 3-4 pips. At least 10 should be somewhere here. Have good breakout. Even though I don't trade GA most of the time because it's like this ball type hair that does deeper retests.
Sad.
Yes.
I have a question on EJ to the downside because right now at 0.373 there is also a very good support line. Yes, and it matches also with the left side. Yes, exactly. What do you think about that? Okay.
Look, it's just we have so many zones right now on EJ because it has created this massive consolidation, you see, and here and there it has created support, resistance, and whatever we take here, it's gonna be like a mess, even though we can try it. I mean, this was a better close. We could at least consider it. Since it came as a big rejection, closing bearish below the support it created on the last few hours. But this was not a very good breakout.
Yeah, unfortunately. Waiting.
We have to wait. Patience, patience, pace. We've seen that many times. So people say December is a risky month to trade. Any thoughts on that? I think I don't even have to answer because December is almost gone. Did you see what happened on the market? Did you think that was risky to trade? Did you see how price respected zones and all these kind of things? If yes, then you can judge it by yourself. It's pretty easy. 22 days of December has gone, so I think they are enough to see is this a risky amount to trade or not. We still have another week or so, or 2 weeks until the end, but yeah, some holidays are coming. Some days are no, we're not going to trade at all because market's not going to move, but yeah. We have plenty of reasons to believe it was tough. Not only December, the whole months were tough. Tough year to trade, tough year to live, tough year for every business in this year. Can we consider GJ already did the break in 138.700 and now making the retest? You can consider, but it's not for us because it's right at resistance. Now, if you want to ignore the fact that it's coming from another zone, you can do that. You can. It can't stop you. But just so you know, based on our experience, most of fake outs happen because of that. Even though the way GJ is forming here, it doesn't make sense to go all the way to the downside. It makes sense to make a retest here, continue, maybe turn bullish. That's an option too. But we have created some rules, so we have to respect these rules. We have to. We have no choice. The thing is, when price comes from another zone, it doesn't mean that it's not going to continue. It doesn't, because it can easily continue. But what happens most of the time, that's what you should look for. Because even selling resistance on a level without any confirmation, it's a 50-50% percent that it's gonna reject and you're gonna win a trade. Whenever you open a trade, there's a 50-50% that you're gonna win it or lose it. Then when you wait for a good confirmation, that percentage just goes higher. You wait for a breakout, now you got a much higher percentage for that trade to work out. When we have a breakout this zone and it's coming from another one, then chances of being a fake out are higher now. Why? Because we've seen most of the time what happens. Most of the time, price results in a fake out when coming from another zone. It depends, maybe it's a small zone, it's not gonna have big effect on GJ, so it can still continue. But you see what happens most of the time. Can this continue to the upside? Yes, it can easily can, but we don't want to risk it. If someone want to risk it, well, go ahead, but not me, because from experience, I've seen what can happen, and I don't want to make a mistake that I am aware of. I am aware what can happen, and taking and doing the mistake by purpose. Can't do that. I don't trade US30. No. Look, guys. Whenever you want to try something like trading a setup of a specific setup, you just go and do some back testing. It's going to be easy. These days it's easy to see if a setup works or not. Just go do some back testing and see on the times when it fails, look why it's failing. And if it's failing from the same pattern over and over again, you make a rule that if that happens next time, you don't take it. So that's what we did. I promised myself that in 2021 I will start backtesting seriously. Phil, backtesting can help a lot. I can tell you that. Backtesting can help a lot. I did a lot of backtesting back in the day, and I still do. Whenever we do simulator sessions, they're always like a refresh for us. I love them. What is your screen? What size is your screen? It's a 49 inch. 49 inch, and I have two 27 inches on the side. Can you tell about your system? What system? What do you mean price is coming from another zone? I'm confusing myself. Could you explain more, please? Aaron. Aaron. Didn't I just explain what coming from another zone is? I just explained it, I think. Coming from another zone is you broke above this zone, you came to this other zone which has a lot of rejections. That is coming from another zone. Coming from no zone, when price breaks above, has clean traffic next, the resistance is all the way around here. That's not coming from another zone because there's nothing going left. You have clean traffic. You take it without thinking twice at all.
So look at EJ. Look, everyone was like, "Oh, we missed it" or something, and now it pulled all the way back. That's perfect for us if it breaks the high, though. You see, no
Yeah,
one is comfortable with that one.
of course. If it breaks above, it's gonna be massive.
Epic.
It's gonna be epic. Just gonna wait. It's gonna wait because there is time. Can we buy EJ? No, you can't. Can't buy EJ. You still have to break all the way above. You still have a 30 pip move to make to the upside to break. It's too early. Yeah, GJ got rejected. Simple as that. Not taking ADGPY because daily is ugly. We have this daily here right at support, so that's why I didn't take it, because it had a chance also on the previous candle, but I skipped it because daily was not clear for me. I don't know, we'll have to wait. Yeah, like GJ has zones like every 10 pips, right, these days. So many. Have you ever played with buying in the bottom of the consolidation, then sell at the top if consolidation has a 15 pip range? What was your experience? Obviously, it's for a reason. No, I didn't. Never did that. Even if I ever try to sell, high, buy low. It was on major zones, but not in a 15 pip range. Do you ever trade with Ishimoku? No. Never. Were you nervous with your trades in the past? Yeah, of course, as everyone. With experience, you get past a lot of things. Any review on CHF, JPY? Yeah. Let's take a look. I cannot enter the market. It set buy limit on all. Looks like you could use some learning first before you go and take a trade. Because if it says buy all, buy limit, then you're doing something wrong. Hello? Përshëndetje. Po, djali ti jam. Nobody be saying none of that, all that congratulations about being a proud. Në rregull, about me. Whatever y'all worried about. Get the fuck off my dick. Jo, mujna me prit kur të vjen prej pushimi. Tëng. Shti as vet. Qatë. Si kushtire. Yeah, I was not muted, but I didn't say anything wrong. Okay, so go to baby pips. Guys, if you are new, babypips.com, go and take a look. There are plenty of things that you can learn for a beginner, because if you don't know how to even take a trade, this is going to be too complicated for you. So you better be a bit prepared when you come on the stream. Let's see, nothing yet. We are just waiting to attack when something comes up. Right now we don't really have much happening. GBP CAD, let's see if we have anything good on GBP CAD. Can we consider to take a trade here at the 4 hour? We'll see. Why not seen? Sad. I have 4 letters and you're saying it wrong again. Like, it's only 4 letters. Do you institutional trade as well? What is that institutional trade? Give me an example. on average, what percent you make monthly. What does that matter? Go to the copy trade link on description, and you can see what we did by risking only 1%. Hi Siad, I showed the first videos on channel. You used to go 20 pips. Last trades you go to 10. Is this a change in Stimson? Is about no. It's not a change. We are trading lately with percentage more. So 10 pips we get 1%, we secure some. We also got trades to go to 20 pips. We didn't take last look at the last trade we took, EJ. So EJ made us around made us 1% and 15 pips, so it was enough for us. We secured some there, and we leave some run. It all depends from a trade to a trade. It's never the same. It depends on the setups. If we take 10 or 15 or 20. I've explained that before too. EJ is dropping. Let's wait. Who knows what we can get? Something unexpected can come. What time frames do you usually enter on for the 10-20 pips? 1 hour as always, 1 hour, 4 hour. What is copy trade and how it works? This is a good question. What is copy trade and how it works? See, let me do just some research. What is copy trade and how it works? See, how does copy trading work? Copy trading is simple. You allocate funds to a trader to copy trade, then trades are copied using that allocation in same proportion as the trader. So if a trader uses 1% of their account balance to make a stock trade, your account will make the same trade using 1% of the funds you allocated to that trader. See, it's very easy and simple. Copy trading enables individuals in the financial markets to automatically copy positions opened and managed by another selected individuals. Copied investors are often compensated by flat monthly subscription fees on the part of traders seeking to copy their trades. Everything you have on Google, these question what is a copy trader? These are simple things you need to know. Which account are you using? Standard or zero spread commission? None of them. I use swap free account. I have no commission, no charge, no swap, no nothing. I'm free out of everything. I trade with nothing. I go straight in profit. No, they take something. I have a little bit bigger spread in exchange for not having commission or swap. how to join your copy trade and what is the fee, follow the link on description. You have the link on description of the copy trade. Follow that link. Everything is there, all the information and everything. Link is on the description of the live stream or any of the video that were before. You have there on the description. How do you get this kind of well, that's just for special customers. Not everybody can get that kind of count. What can I say? Not allowed to say anything else other than that. What time do you start streaming? On the YouTube banner it says I start 7 a.m. GMT. If you looked at the YouTube banner, when you get to my channel it says 7 a.m. GMT. When you go to side effects, you have 7 a.m. GMT daily live stream London session. You have all these live streams. See? Plenty of them. Plenty of them. Every single day. You haven't reviewed CHF JPY. Oh, very sorry. Let me do it now. I thought I did. Oh, this one. Because I looked at it and I didn't say anything about it. So, break and retest. It looks good. Looks like we don't have any traffic on the left. So if it breaks below, you could have some nice move to the downside. I like it. I just don't trade this pair, but when it comes, let me know. Everything looks very quiet, guys. Everything looks very quiet. We're not having big movements. CHF JPY is breaking. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Because you see CHF JPY, it's somehow a bit same as EJ. They have some similarities between. They're both in this big consolidation box for a long time. Just that EJ is way bigger. And this is closer to break. Good. Looks like we have a range all the way to this next level to fill. That's how many pips? 45 pips. Nice. Good range. I've been following out your live sessions but not seen you take a trade yet. When will you likely take a trade? Okay, you haven't seen me take a trade, right? Let's go. Yesterday we didn't have a trade, but we go on 18th of December and you can see what did we do here. Do you see this? It says Euro JPY. If you go and listen, we explained it what we're gonna do. We waited for the candle close, right? You can go and see when we said, okay, we are taking buys. We took buys, and what happened? We got a lot of pips here. So I don't know what sessions have you been following. Maybe it was not me. But there's no trade every single day. So sometimes you're not going to have trades. This is one of them when we had trades. Let's find another time when we had trade. Okay, so when you want to see if we had any trades, just look at the videos that have go to the end and see if we took a trade here. See, we took a trade here, right? And this was, I think it was a win. Yeah, we made a few pips here. But look on the left, this is the trades we took before. So at the end of the session, you open a webinar, whatever it is. You go at the end of the session and you see on the left if you have any trades or not. This is GBP/USD. You see we took a trade here on GBP/USD. I don't know what happened after, but it was probably a win. Easy. See how easy it is? You go, see, we just opened this, and what can you look at it? 40 pips called live. You have everything here. Breakout, waiting for the retest. Let's see. Did we take the retest? No, let's see this trade that we took. Let's see. See, we took buys, real time, explaining why, and what happened after. We got a 40 pip move. So looks like I don't call trades. I never call trades. I never take trades. What do you think of SDU's dollar? I don't know. It's really messy. It's really messy on SDU's dollar. Personally, I wouldn't trade it because it's not a clear chart like we want to. Maybe you want to take buys on this level, but I don't know. It just doesn't feel safe. There's a lot of zones in between. It's a mess. Just people, they don't do any research. Just come to the stream. It's an hour of waiting, having patience, and oh, you never take a trade. What are you doing here? You never take a trade. I do zero research. EJ is pretty crazy. He's just been consolidating in the same zone over and over and over again. To the upside, to the downside, to the bottom, to the top. JD, I think SED's dollar, I would skip it because really it's a mess right now. Like, look at the previous daily. Like, what the hell is this wick here? Let's see. A lot of daily candles are crazy. First one is gold here. Look at how the crazy the daily is. Look at GJ. Look at the daily candle. Crazy. Look at the USD CAD. What a wick it left. Crazy. Look at the GBP US dollar. It made a whole push to the downside of 200 pips and a whole pullback of 250 pips. That's like 500 pip move in one day. Can you imagine that? Look at EA here. EA made a whole move of 120 pips and a whole rejection to the downside after that. Everything is crazy. Everything is crazy right now, but we need patience and to see if we get a good setup, then we'll attack. Made 20k and I'm 15. Wow. Wow. You can't even trade, man. 15 years old, you're not allowed to. What can I say? It's very slow. It's very, very slow. There's no clear setup coming. At least if we could expect something to come, but we don't really have anything to expect. GCAT maybe, ADCAT no. GA might be. GU, yeah, GU can be, but see, it's right before candle closes, and it's not safe before candle close. It might not give us that setup. We won't let good breakout, but let's see. And maybe it can push in last minute. Bitcoin reached 23k. Yeah, Bitcoin's been flying last few days. Some people won, some got burned because they got in too late. Hopefully everyone wins. So, if you are taking a 4-hour break and retest, do I mind if it breaks the 4-hour zone but a weak breakout on the 1 hour? If the 4-hour breakout is good and the 1 hour is a little bit weak, I think I would take the risk and take it. Yeah, because higher time frames prevail, so 4 hour is more important. If the 4 hour gives you a good breakout, then perfect. But if the 4 hour is weak and 1 hour is strong, no, it can be. We need to see a real-time example to make a decision on that. Will you trade Bitcoin? No, I will not. I don't trade Bitcoin. Hypno, what you're thinking? Sells on EJ? Probably. I bet it sells after a candle closes to make the retest. Probably. At 370, probably. Let's see. Oh yeah, Hypno, that's the long-term plan. Because it's pretty far right now. Yeah. That's the plan. I'll wait for EJ to break out of this consolidation. It's gonna take some time, but hopefully we're gonna get a breakout in the next days. Today would be, I don't know if it's hard for today. I mean, anything can happen in a day. But yeah. USD, there's nothing happening there right now. It's nothing. We'll see. Right now, there's no certain good zone, good support on EURUSD. Look guys, every time I say this a lot of times, on a lot of pairs there are just weak zones. We've seen how strong zones are sometimes, and still there's a chance of a fake out. Imagine in a weak zone, like with 2-3 rejections. We want to go for safe ones, for trades that have big zones, like let's say here USD CAD. Look how strong the zone was, so it would be very confident in a trade like this. When you trade when you have only like 2-3 rejections, a weak zone, you're not very comfortable with that. We'll see about Bitcoin. Going to 100k seems like a possible, but you never know. Anything can happen these days. Okay, EJ. EJ is a joke right now. He just drops then rejects all the way to the upside. Like, what is this? It's good. I kinda like to have a break to the upside. I don't know why. It feels safer to the upside. You take the UA yesterday. What is that? UA. Do you know blueberry markets? Thought on open on time? Yeah, they are great. You can open an account with them. You're a CAD. I don't know. I'm not a fan of your CAD. I mean, it has created a good resistance here. One time, two times, three times rejecting. If we get a good candle close above, we might give it a chance. We'll see when it comes. It's 1 minute left, so it's not. We're not gonna have a breakout, I think, right now. GBP pairs are still not doing that much. Still consolidating. Yeah, nothing much happening actually. The Duke Gaming. Just check the link of the copy trader on the description. You'll see the percentage of for this month. Yeah, RC markets are good. You can trade there. IC markets, Blueberry, Pepperstone, Trader's Domain. You have plenty. Just pick and choose whatever broker you want. Yeah, USD CAD is staying above this. Can some buys come into play here? We only had 2 rejections, but I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I don't like anything other than EJ, which can be always good. When it breaks, whenever it breaks, it might take a lot of time, but at the end, it should give us something good. Your cat is a candidate. I mean, we'll see. See if we get a good break. The more rejections we have, the more confidence we're gonna have to take it. You know, if we reject more and more, create some good consolidation, then yeah. Other than that, it's pretty slow. It's a bigger level. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. I can see big rejections from the same level. Yeah, good, good. When we break, looks like this could be very nice. What can I say, guys? Very slow. It's very slow, and I don't know. Maybe the whole week's gonna be like this, or maybe should we try to go live on a New York session tomorrow? What do you guys think? We could try to go live on a New York session this week. If it's not a lot of volatility on London session.
There are gonna be a lot of news tomorrow on New York session.
Tomorrow, okay, let's see.
Yeah, USD news.
No. Economic calendar. Yes, yes, yes or no, yes or no. So today we have some USD news later on in 4 hours. Tomorrow we have AUD news, trade balance, unemployment, Euro news. Wow, initial jobless claims, a lot of USD news tomorrow. Home sales, then we don't have anything. Thursday we have some JPY and CAD news.
Nothing is going on.
Yeah, Beitu, nothing. Like, is there quiet? I'm thinking to leave the stream today just to run and maybe come and every hour and check, because we're not really having anything. And it's like the beginning of a candle, and what should we do for the next hour?
Yeah, there is nothing. The only thing that I can imagine that can happen is EJ, but we need some things to happen. Some good moves.
Yeah, it's like almost 30 pip range that needs to push for a break above here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it run here. And before candle closes, I'll be here, guys.
Okay,
Don't
Zed.
don't forget to check before candle close, like 10 or 5 minutes before candles close.
Thank you,
You
bro.
can just leave it run. Or maybe you can leave. If you can't, I'll accept you before candle closes.
Thank you, brother.
What should I say? Back. I'll be back. Before candle close, yeah. Eat some breakfast and we'll be back. Thank you for now. See you later. I'll just leave the stream run.
What's up, YouTube? YouTube, show me trades. Sad is not here, so I can take them all. GBP, AUD, GCAT, CAT, so EuroCAT. Oh, EA is pushing. Logic, I have to hold on. Myself. Let's deal set the show. Let me see. Full HD camera. Is it there? Yes, here we are. Okay. Now I'm ready. Legic, what are you watching right now? Which pair are you watching? GU, EC. Yeah, I just see EA right now. If we would have just let the trade run with 20 pip stop loss, it would be still good, and we would have right now, let me see, like 34 pips. Unfortunately, it hit my break even. EuroCAT is rejecting. EJ is breaking to the downside now. I don't know. EU's falling. GA climbing up. GBP CAT climbing up. GJ not doing much. GU as well. Dollar is going up. Nothing is happening. On which level do you want to take GU, Lejek? AUD, USD, Euro, GBP. Yeah. On USD CAT, I don't see anything on USD CAT. It did already the retest on this minor zone and it's going up. There is nothing. My minor zone is at 1.28700. GU. Oh, I see. Yeah. Would be nice. Small range, but high potential for me. Man, I think we have to like take a trade early in the morning and then wait like 4 hours and then they will move, you know, like EJ. The break wasn't really good. Then it rejected all the way up and now it's falling again all the way down. EJ best. Yeah, I don't know if Seth will take this trade. EU's nice as well. I think EU is at support right now at 1.22100-ish. So that can be a good one as well. Oh yeah, break of the, yeah. If EJ breaks above 126,600-ish or breaks down below 125,790, man, I'm waiting for this explosion. I can imagine that the price doesn't really know where to go right now on EJ, because if we zoom out on the 1 hour, let's measure the time here. We are 21 days, no, 20 days. Since 20 days, we are in this consolidation box on EJ. 20 days. And I think price doesn't really know where to go right now on EJ. And if we zoom out more, we can see on the weekly, it's kind of like a double top to me. You know? Whoever trades double top. But yeah, price is trying to go up, but it can't really go up. So it would be great, it would be awesome if we break to the downside and then fall. Because when let me see the daily, yeah. I mean, up or down doesn't matter to me, to be honest. If we break the consolidation box, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, and then I'm gonna leave a runner for a new world record, for my personal record. Yeah, I see the same one, Nico. I have the same minor zone, but I don't know if it's gonna be a good one or not, because it's not really respected since the like for 2 times. Oh, there he is. Maestro is back. I'm going. Bye-bye.
Do we have anything or not? We don't have anything? No, no way. No way, again, nothing. See, you're in ZT. Nice. If we would have these 2 candles also closing below, we would consider taking buys if it breaks above here on Euro NZD. It would be nice. But yeah, we'll see. AUDJPY, no way. Look at that drop. 27 pips. Nice, nice. AUDs is going crazy. Like I saw GBPUD pushing like crazy. What happened? Man, this EJ is boring. Just went down again. Like, make a decision. Either continue up or drop all the way down. It's not making a decision yet. I mean, it's gonna close it below this small support. I don't know if you should look for sells on EJ here.
Sad. What do you think about CAD JPY?
CAD JPY.
Yeah, if you break that level.
It's not that strong. The level is not that strong, I think. 4 hour. Looks like we have support on 4 hour. Let me see. Is it the US dollar? Went all the way to the downside. See what happened here. It broke above this level, but when it came, hit this big zone, now coming all the way to the downside. It's a great example coming from another zone. This is an example coming from another zone. Price had a zone here, right? It broke above, but came straight to the next zone, a big zone also. Then what happened here? It resulted in a fake out of the zone and is going all the way down. Maybe we can expect a retest and more continuation. That could be nice. Who knows? I might look for something like that. Let's see. But we also have support here. It's a mess. Right now, it is a mess. See, Area AUD. Euro AUD has a zone here, I think. I think so. Yeah, GJ couldn't break. He still, it's a good thing actually. That's not breaking, because whenever it breaks, it's gonna be good. It's just showing us that there's a pretty strong resistance here. As you can see, last 3 hours, not a break yet. So we are respecting this level. When it breaks, we're gonna see a good push to the upside.
Same with GCAD, right?
GCAD, yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Looks like this hour it's not gonna bring anything. It's pretty slow. Only AUD pairs moved. Do we have any news on AUD? On Nazi?
Wow. Euro NZD 110.
Oh, look what's happening. Look. Something is happening right now because it went crazy. Let me check.
Yeah, something is going on. It's very volatile.
Something happened because BioNTech CEO. We could make a new COVID vaccine within 6 weeks. Wow. You could make another vaccine? Why? Is this the one that they launch? It's not good then? Or what's the problem?
Because of the new vaccine. Whoa! What's going on?
I don't see any news. Do we have any speeches happening right now? Because something is cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, another Brexit news. Yeah.
That one or what? My fingers are on the sell button.
What pair?
GJ.
No. No,
You know
so
that you can have this one click thing, one click sell and one click buy on MetaTrader.
yeah.
Man, this thing is what's happening, man.
Oh, some big move is coming. You're just gonna see a big candle to the downside.
Bro, I have to take a small position.
No. Oh, what is happening? Oh, Beto, look what happened. Look at the drop.
Bro, you are kidding. What are you doing, man? I look on my chart and I'm like, yeah, it's not happened. Should I press on sell? Bro, you're killing me. What are you doing? I saw I saw your chart and I looked to FTMO and I'm like, maybe they're late. Should I press on sell?
Uh,
No, I'm still waiting, not doing anything.
no, just wait.
Maybe that's the 4 hour push, you know, the 4 hour.
No, the way it started to move like a minute before candle close, like it was very weird. And you have 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you already have 60 pip move. It's not normal. What the hell? This is a 60 pip move? Oh my god, I didn't realize that.
Bro, the only thing that I'm watching is EA because we took it this morning and it's flying. Then I look to USD CAT because you predicted this. And then Euro NZD because you predicted this as well. And it's insane.
I sent a picture of the news in the chat.
Said to state the latest offer from the UK is unacceptable. Okay, so that's bad for GBP, but where is the news from? Oh, okay. Now it's online. Thank you, man. Capzilla. It's like Godzilla.
Yeah, they're a bit late. Probably on Twitter we had this way before. Oh, I don't have a Twitter. I don't have Twitter. China to steadily push forward digital currency research. Man, I don't know.
Man, this one click buy sell is toxic. I deleted it again.
What is it?
On MetaTrader, you can activate the one click buy and sell. So on the left side, on the top, you can just click on buy or sell. You know, and back in the days, I was using it for impulse entries, but most of my losses were impulse entries. So if I would have sold this one, look at the pool deck.
Yeah, that's why I don't recommend impulse entries.
20 pips.
Just lost 500 bucks. Why? What did you do? Oh man. This new COVID thing now, that this new COVID is coming. Brexit, 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 Brexit. Every single day we're gonna have something. EU officials are set to state the latest offer from the UK is unacceptable. UK latest Brexit offer on Fishers has been rejected by EU. Same thing again and again and again. They just keep on coming. News, news, news every single day. Look, I'm thinking about EJ cells, but is that I'm not very sure. We have a lot of zones in between. Thing is, we got a 4-hour close now. It's pretty good, but also we have plenty of zones in between. If we want to risk this, we should be aware that a fake out is likely to happen, or chance of being fake out are higher. But I don't know, man. We don't have much choices, and also EJ can be affected by the news too, so Sammy, hello Sammy. Hello Sammy. Look, Aussie dollar has this support lower like another 10 pips. So unless we break that, I don't see a setup. Alonso, where do you see that retest on Aussie dollar? On what zone? If you're thinking about this zone, I don't know. It goes through the middle of the candles. It didn't really respect it. I would rather wait for 0.75 to 50. That would be maybe a better level to take a trade. Yeah, Beto looked like a professor of science. Is that accurate?
Yeah, I have a science degree, but
Let me
not a professor.
be a professor now too. Do I look like a professor of sports or?
See, yes. You look like a philosophy professor.
Oh,
You know?
or
Teaching
history. Yeah, philosophy. Anyone give $100 for trading start? Yes, someone can give you that if you work for them. Use the CAD. Use the CAD. Previous candle has no top wick. This candle is doing a pullback. I think we're gonna have some continuation. In the future, I'm gonna make some glasses that can make you see break and retest very fast. That would be a good invention. Like you put the glasses on and you see all these pairs doing break and retest, but without them you can't see. Put the software on the glasses. Your NZD, I think, is going to continue up. Big bullish candle closing above these candles. This might fly, but we still haven't gone past above this, so it's risky to take it. EJ is coming. Yes, it is, but I don't know if I want to take it because EJ can be affected by the news also, so it might be risky. Look at GJ now. 60 pips move to the downside. Now we get a whole of 30 pip pullback. It's a bit risky now because these news might still have effect. Euro US dollar. I can't really trust anything right now. Let me see, what would I trust? Your cat didn't break. Was going well, was pushing, but got rejected again. NZD US dollar. This is interesting. We might give it a shot on NZD US dollar. Well, only if it comes at 500. Because it closed below this minor zone 2 and it closed below this zone 2. The retest should be at 500 and we could have a nice continuation. And maybe we're gonna fill this wick also. Sell GJ? No. Who told you to sell GJ? There's no reason to sell GJ right now. Ninguna razón. Yo tengo ninguna razón to sell GJ. Yeah, 4 hour is pretty good also. See on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour next zone is all the way down here at 300 and we don't really have a zone in the middle. So this is the support we have, the resistance now, because it was support, it broke, now acts as a resistance, and you can see all these rejections we had before. So we have a good 4 hour candle close Also, if you go on the 1 hour, momentum is pretty bearish. If we get the retest at 500, this should be good. I think so. I think so. What do you guys say? You want to take SD US dollar? It's a bit messy, I said before too, but now I think it's in a better position. We just might have a deeper pullback, and that can be acceptable. Let's wait if it comes deeper. I don't want to enter too early. Stop loss, I think 10 pip stop loss should be enough, because if price comes all the way above this level, it wouldn't be very safe anymore. It just needs to come a bit higher. We don't want to get an early entry, because aiming for 10-15 pips then can be hard if we end up with a bad entry. And this is, how many pips is from this? 10 pips. So if it comes to 520, 500, that's gonna be we only need this candle to go bearish to get 1-to-1, and more than that we get 15. So 10 pips can be easy here. Let's go, NZD US dollar, come a little higher. Hypno, you're back. Good brother, how are you? Where's NZD US dollar? Yeah, just a little higher, guys. I'm waiting just a little higher and we can enter. You know, you can reject from here too, but I feel like it can come a little higher than this. Look, guys, if you have room to, you can enter some here. But I'm waiting for a little higher to come, because you wouldn't want to miss this. It has another 3 pips to come.
And 20 pip stop, right?
No, 10.
10?
Yeah, there's no need for more. Sibusiso, brother, you sent the wrong chart. Stop loss around 10 pips. I think it's not needed for more. We'll see if we see how it's gonna act at this zone, and if it requires a bigger stop, then we might move it a little bit higher if it's gonna make a deeper retest. Even though I don't think it's gonna make a whole pullback there. You can enter half here if you want, guys. It's a 3 pip range, I think, from candles are closed. 3 pips. And if you don't want to miss it, you can enter here. Oh, let me share it to the calls room because you guys didn't.
Bro, share it to the calls room.
Forward did a pretty good pullback. Can come a bit higher.
Yeah, 520 would be the perfect entry for me.
So I'm afraid it's not gonna come higher, and we'll miss this. But it should come a little bit higher. I need a good entry.
Yeah, I put in half position.
You did half position?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I entered half position too. I just took a sell. Attention. I just took a sell. Attention. I just took a sell. It should come a bit higher, so you can enter half here. I'm entering half here because we can reject from here too. You know, we are in a 2-3 pip range and you don't want to miss it.
Yeah. I have my stop loss at 650.
Stop loss 650, yeah, around there. That can be the good stop loss. I think I'm gonna expect this at least to go bearish, a 1-to-1 risk reward after we can continue all the way to the downside. That's the long term.
Partial TP at 1-to-1. And my full TP is at 0.70155. That's my
where you said take profit?
Full take profit is 155.
Oh, 155.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see. If you make 1%, who cares for price to go all the way to the downside?
Yes. I entered half. Let's see. If it comes higher to 520, I enter my second one.
Same. AUD CAD. Yeah, you're putting your resistance there, but you are ignoring this one. This one here. This. So where candles were closed. This whole zone here, you're ignoring it. Look how many rejections you have. You can't ignore it. Let's go into the US dollar, come a bit little higher, and then continue. So guys, listen, it's a pretty simple setup right now. We have a breakout and the retest is coming. we have this zone, we broke below. What can you expect after a breakout? Some continuation. We have good momentum. We should continue to the downside. We need first to go bearish on this one. We'll get at least 10 pips. After that, we can close some and leave some run. If you look left, you can see how many rejection we've got before on this same setup, and it fits perfectly for some more continuation. Second, we have a 4-hour close too, which is a 4-hour breakout too. So we have a double confirmation. Can this be a fake out? Yes, but chances are very low right now. We have better chances of continuation. If you look on the 4-hour, you can see how many times price came here, and most of the time it did respect the level. So we have same level on 1 hour, same level on the 4-hour. All we need now is maybe come a little bit higher so we can enter another position, and we should continue to the downside. Previous candle very strong, so I trust this. We should make at least a new low after, and then should continue for more. We'll see. Stop loss is around 10-11 pips. Stop loss can be moved after 2 if we see how price is moving, but first, right now, I think we don't need a bigger one. Pedro, no rush, man. You started today. You want to make it all in one day? Give yourself some time.
Man, that would be legendary, man. Lejek, how big is your position, Lejek? Broski.
Who bought NZD US dollar? No one. Maybe someone did. Who knows?
I bought it until the retest, and then I closed, and now I'm selling it.
See what happens. Oh, did we check the daily? Is daily at support or something?
Yes.
Daily is
Rejecting.
let's wait. We should have at least 10 pips here.
Daily. Oh, daily wasn't at support yet. Daily could fill the wick. You have this line here, you know, the red one? That's why you had the line there. Yes, you have to
because
delete
this is the daily.
Exactly.
The daily
bro.
level, the daily wick.
The line that you have here that just went like straight, you know, this red one?
Yeah.
That's why it looked like that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking at daily, it can fill the wick.
Yeah, this should go bearish at least. At least what it can do is go bearish.
The thing is, this is at a... Yes. If the US dollar is gaining strength, man, that would be amazing. Swinging it.
Let's see what happens.
I want 10 pips first.
Let me fix something here. Do you think this could be an issue? Let me see. Yeah, we'll see if that's going to be an issue because there's two things here. You could either draw your line here or draw your line here. So yeah, but daily is not clear for me either. But I'm taking the risk in this one. We'll see what happens. Because you would say, okay, this is where this candle is rejecting and closed below. This one is closed below. This one is closed above, then made the retest here, right? Then this one came, rejected the same place. So I would say, okay, we have support here. Or you could also say we have another support here. Then you have another support here. So it's not a perfect chart on the daily. On the lower time frames, it makes more sense. I think so. 1 hour and 4 hour makes more sense. I said before too, it's a bit complicated. Maybe it's a bit messy. There are a lot of zones, that's for sure. But since we had a 1 hour and a 4 hour breakout, I took the risk. Let's see, this should go at least bearish, even though I like to come a bit higher to make that deeper pullback and retest so we can enter like we want to. But even if it doesn't come, I mean, we can't expect too much in these slow conditions.
EJ pulled back in, making it either a deep retest or a fake out.
EJ?
Yes.
See, we couldn't trust EJ. Let's see what SD US dollar is gonna do here. It's been 34 minutes now. If this stays like this and comes later on to make that deeper retest and it's close to where candle is gonna close, that's not a good thing. So we either make it the retest now and reject, or if it comes before candle closes, that's not good because we might close back in the range again. Let's see what happens. I mean, we got a small rejection. It's a good sign. The only problem is that we might not get the perfect retest every time. We've seen that. Not every time we get the perfect retest, so it can reject from here too. When the price is 10 pips profit, you close 50 or 80%. I think I'll close everything if I get full 1%. Because I'm not looking for too much these days. As much as I can to get 10 pips, 10 pips is enough. Not gonna ask for too much. Because the conditions are not that good to ask for big moves. How much time do you let it before invalidate the trade? If this candle closes back in the range, that's when I would say, okay, it's not valid anymore. I'm gonna close it or wait for a pullback to close at break even or whatever happens, we'll see. But as long as it stays below, there's no reason to not be valid anymore. We'll see. Just that when you have good momentum, you expect the retest candle to make the move, at least go bearish, because there was a lot of momentum. If it doesn't, somehow you don't feel that comfortable because somehow the momentum is not there anymore. Even though it doesn't make a difference. Maybe it can still continue as long as it stays below. We have seen most of the time we get the move, not most of the time, sometimes we get the move later on the last 15 minutes maybe. So same thing can happen here too. Playing with the facts here. Camera effects. It's like hallucinating. Can you guys see?
Yeah, ghost.
I like it goes now. Keep it like this. I like it. Can you explain momentum concept? What can I explain? Momentum is momentum. When price is dropping, there's a lot of momentum. It's dropping pretty good. Makes a good drop, then yeah.
So would you take another entry now when it comes? I mean, it's the beginning
Yeah,
of the second 30 minutes.
5:30,
5:30.
5:20, 5:30. Your choice.
Yeah.
Camera is kind of broken. No, it's not broken. It's just an effect. Someone donate some. What does that mean? It's no snow. People didn't like it. People didn't like the snow, so we deleted the snow. Unfortunately.
That's so you can.
If candle closes bullish, would you take some off? I don't think so. I mean, if we close below, it doesn't matter if it closes bullish. But if it closes back in the range, that's when it becomes a little tricky. We don't trade gold, guys. We don't trade gold. I am so sorry. I don't see anything on gold right now. We have a resistance here as it looks like. You might have some continuation maybe. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Since we don't trade it, we're gonna stay away from it. USD US dollar has come. If you want to take another entry here, you can. I think so. It's a 1 pip difference now. 520, 530 is the same.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 520.
It did hit 520 or not?
It was like 515 or something. And I couldn't pull the trigger. Here is my second entry. Okay.
I took also another one here at 520 current price. Took another one here.
Yeah.
So 500 and 520. These are my two entries. We'll see how it goes now. We have 15 minutes left. We should make some continuation now. Let's see. We should see some sort of rejection now. Let's go. So we need to move like, yeah, this candle going bearish, that's our move. We get 10 pips, after that we'll see. We can secure some, leave some run. Then it's our choice what we can do. I trade since 2016, guys, if you don't know, because I get a question every day. Are you here every day? Just not on the weekends. Otherwise, Monday to Friday, every single day. Sometimes we decide to not do it if we have to deal with something else, but pretty much every day. I'm trading only Forex because I don't need to trade stocks. I don't know anything about stocks. Forex is what I know. I trade what I know. I don't trade what I don't know. And it's better for me. I don't like stocks or options trading or binary options, or how are they called? I have 3 screens, 49 inch, 27, 27. So do the math, plenty of inches there. Like 100 inch of monitors. It's taking too much time. We have 13 minutes left, and we don't have much of a rejection. Let's see if we start now, last 10 minutes. If we close back in the range, we look for a small loss or break even. But there's still time for movement, so we'll see. Need patience. But patience. So what will be your time for tomorrow? Same, I think, same. Not gonna change anything. Not gonna change anything for now. Maybe we need the magnet, man. Maybe we need the magnet, man. He's just taking a lot of space. I'm not gonna add him at all. What is happening with NU? Because it's starting to go crazy. Do we have any news?
GBP news again.
Again. This might cause us some problems. Why don't I see them? Where are they? Georgie, where do you watch the news?
On Twitter, mainly.
Oh, which one? Live Squawk or
I
somewhere else?
follow a lot of accounts like FOREX Live, FOREX Factory, Zero Hedge, New Squawk.
Says 17 minutes to go.
EU is willing to accept up to 25% reduction in UK waters catch. On Live Squawk right now on Twitter.
Need to create an account here because it doesn't show the last news. Look at GBP, it's going crazy. NZD US dollar is still quiet. We'll see how it's gonna close. Unless the news are gonna move it like crazy, we're still good, I think. I think we're still good. So we need to wait and see how it closes. We have another 8 minutes left. Let's see.
Dollar is falling.
We didn't get what we wanted here. A move on the retest candle. Well, let's see. Maybe next candle might start to move. It's important how it's gonna close, because if it closes above where candles are closed, it's not gonna be good. If it closes below, we might have the drop after. It could be taking time, but with all these news happening, it might affect NZD US dollar too. We're not that safe. We're not that safe, I think, with all this news. Yeah, see, like this, for example, if it closed like this, like it's an indecision candle. Even if it closed like 2-3 pips above, it's still you know not a good close in the range or back in the range. Like if you want a breakout, how many pips you want the breakout to be? So is this a breakout back in the range? If it closes 2-3 pips, you can't really trust it, but makes you uncomfortable and you don't trust it that much. So yeah, we'll make a decision in 5 minutes after the candle closes if we want to close it or not. Because even if I feel a little bit uncomfortable, I'm gonna close. I'm not gonna try to hold or anything because it wouldn't be a good choice. The news coming up can affect it, might come deeper. Even though the 4-hour looks perfect, you never know it. I would say if it goes above where this 4-hour candle started, what is that? 600? What would be done then? Above 600. Because that's where previous 4-hour candle has started, and it would be a bad sign for NZD US dollar.
So would you say stops to 600?
No, let's see how it closes. I say that if it closes back in the range and you don't want to close it, you want to keep it to, if it comes at make a retest at your entry and close at break even, we should at least let it go at 600, but not more than that.
Okay.
Even though it's very close to right now, because it's a small, we had a 10 pip original stop loss, so if it comes here we have a 5 pip difference. It's nothing big here. Let's see. We can even hold for 10 pips and whatever happens, because we had this big bearish candle coming all the way to the downside, breaking 2 zones, and now a whole pullback. Unless it's from the news, it wouldn't make any sense. Let's see, even if we close like this, we should have a pullback. It didn't go down at all. Let's see. Yeah, this is not going to be a good close. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. So the plan is to, once this goes lower, gives us a chance to close a small loss. Like 2-3 pips. Right now we have like 4 or 5 pips stop drawdown. So we can try to take as low as we can, a small stop. As small as we can. Yeah, strong candle, but do you see the previous candle was even stronger? But with this news coming up, it might affect a bit. And next candle can push all the way up. So we'll see. It doesn't make you comfortable with this kind of candle. So I'll look for a close at entry at break even, or a small 1 or 2 pips loss, because you don't expect a full pullback. If it comes, because it might continue all the way up, who knows. Okay, we have a close back in the range. Not good at all. It closed pretty bullish, closed above 530. We're gonna look for exiting this once it comes lower. Let's see, it needs to come lower. I'll take a small 3-4 pips loss, or even lower than that if it comes lower. Are you buying after loss? No, because 4 hour is still open, so we can still drop. You never know. Okay, it's coming lower. It is coming lower. I have 2 pips drawdown. Okay guys, if you want to take a 2 pip loss, it's better than taking a full loss. So I'm closing one of my positions. The best position is minus 2.5 pips in drawdown. So I'm gonna close that one. And the other position that we did it earlier, that was an early position, is minus 5. So it needs to come a little lower. So I closed, let's say half minus 2.5, and the other one is coming also. Good.
Yeah, I closed all here.
At 5:30 now. So this was the point where we wanted to enter, and now it closed back in the range. It came back to where we had the entry point. So I'm closing the other position to minus 2.8 pips. So yeah, I took a 0.50% loss here. Thanks.
Yeah, I took a $90 loss.
Yeah, nothing big.
Yes.
Yeah, let me see. 0.
And now it will push.
No, it's not good anymore. It's not good anymore. If you want to hold, you have. If you want to hold, you can, but I'm not gonna hold because I'm not comfortable anymore with this close above. Look, guys, this is a good example how to exit a position when it goes against you. So it's a good way to exit without taking a full loss. Price broke below, we took sells, we thought it's going to continue, but it looks like it's not. Maybe it is going to continue, but it gave us a bad sign. So it closed back in the range. Every time price closes back in the range, probably is going to make a retest before continuation, right? Because it didn't move to the downside, should move to the upside. Anyway, close back in the range, so you have the chance to wait for price to come at your entry, or you can take the full stop. But right now, when you see price closing back in the range, you're just hoping that it should come to the downside. Trade what you see, not what you hope or what you want to see. So what we see here is a close back in the range. Now it's making a pullback. I don't know if it's going to continue or go all the way up, but from experience, this could be a retest to continue up. Since we have a 4-hour break and retest, it might continue to the downside. Still, the news could have the effect too. So this might have been just a pullback and still can continue to the downside. But for now, we are out. We don't want to stay in a trade we're not comfortable with. So we're gonna skip it.
Yeah. What do you think about EJ fake out, bro? I think it is a good close.
Who?
EJ fake out.
EJ yet as a fake out. No, we need for EJ to close all the way above. I can't trust it. Still, I can't trust it. You hit your stop at 10 pips already? How? It didn't move 10 pips at all. Unless your sell was at 400 or God knows where. Look, only if you had, see, this is a 10 pip move. Only if you had the sell on the bottom of this candle, you would get stopped. I don't know how you got stopped at 10 pips. Maybe you have big spread or something. Yeah, spread can be one reason. Yeah, guys, we found a trade. Didn't work out. We closed as a small loss, so that's great risk management. We could have lost much more, but that's how you handle it. You get away with a small loss, then this is how you are gonna make consistent. Next is gonna be a good win, a full win, and these small losses are not gonna affect your account. They're gonna be like nothing. When we look at SD US dollar later on, it's gonna be melting.
Yeah, because the 4-hour has no lower week as well.
Yeah, it's probably gonna drop. Just it's not safe anymore. Can you please check your USD? Okay, let's go with a timeout for you because we don't allow that. You just say once and I read your chart.
Man, I like EJ, but it's over. Okay.
Took a loss of 0.48. Good. Good, good, good. Yeah, I was 7.78 in profit, so not even lower than 7%. I took, let me see, two positions, 40, yeah, 0.50%, not half risk loss, 0.50. Yeah, pretty good. We got away with it. When you compare, the last trade we took was EJ. We took how many pips? Around 13, 14 pips, and we took a 2, 3 pip loss. So just see the difference. Beta didn't show again. I saw just a glimpse of it.
Few
Ada nggak
seconds
ada
left.
orang. Mm-mm.
Beta didn't show again. I saw just a glimpse.
Yeah, it was for a few seconds, bro.
No, not even a second. Yeah, great. You learned something. See, even from losses you can learn. Just know how to read them. Losses can be good to learn too.
Of course, man.
You just realize you just witnessed how to exit from a losing trade. How many percentage of your account is 10 pips?
100.
1%. You should really need to focus on daily chart. It's better, way better than your 1 hour break and retest strategy.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
Everyone has his own strategy, so if you are comfortable with your 1 day strategy, then do it. EN was so nice, bro. Telling you.
EJ,
EN.
what about Ian?
It just hit TP.
Oh yeah, filled the whole wick to the upside. I think, guys, I'm gonna go now because we don't really have anything right now. This UNZD is still at resistance. I don't know if it's gonna break or not. If it breaks, it can be nice. If not, then move on. Right now, I don't see much. I see DJPY came all the way to the upside. Could be a 4 hour retest, but it would be a massive pullback. So I don't know. We'll see. You lost $300 in that trade. How? How did you lose $300?
Yeah, I'm thinking about any setup idea, but when I look at the charts, they don't really do anything. I think maybe in the next hour or before New York opening. But right now, there's, for me at least, maybe see catch APY fake out. That's the only thing that could be. But yeah, your support is way
Yeah.
lower. Mine is higher.
Yeah, because I drew on the 4 hour. There's support there.
Yes. Other than that, there is for me nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right now, we don't have anything. So,
Mm.
we're gonna go, guys.
Yeah, bro.
Have
For
a nice
me,
day. We'll see later on what we can do. Maybe we get another setup, but I don't know. We'll
would you
see.
place would you place any alarm set like
Which
anywhere
I
where?
place. Well, I don't have to, because I'll just come and check after our close and see. And
Okay.
also, we'll let you know.
Okay, because what I was waiting for is EJ, of course, as almost everyone here in the group, and GVP Cat, I think, right?
Yeah.
Or was it ECAT? ECAT, I think.
AD cat Aga, we didn't talk about the AD cat, but it came from the support. Maybe a break below a retest can be good here and some continuation. This is what you can expect. On EOCAT, we can expect a break above. I mean, we are rejecting. It's a major zone if you look it on the left. So we'll see if we get a good breakout. We might consider it. We have some USD news later on. We have to be careful about this, and also another USD news later on too. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. For now, I don't see anything. I'll let you know, guys, of course, for any update. We'll keep in touch in the chat. For now, have a nice day. See you.
See you, Seth.
See you, bro. Thank you.